The commercial space really suffers from a huge amount of overlap and inefficiency, and there are so many areas that are ripe for improvement. But we have legal issues and we have a lot of humanistic issues with competing with one another that's getting in our way. So what's your advice for getting over these hurdles?
So I think you mentioned legal earlier. There clearly are legal concerns from a collusionary perspective, from an antitrust perspective, and the regulators, and I don't mean drug regulators, the SEC and the FTC and the monopolies commissions and others, watch these things very, very closely. But they're all things that can be overcome if you're smart. But these legal concerns become more heightened in the commercial space because that's where often the real competition is actually occurring. That said, I think if the lessons learned from the R&D side is if you can get the right people into the room and dissect what we do and identify areas that are pre-competitive, even in the commercial space, and start there and use those as building blocks for the future. We started with 5 projects. And today we have 3 entirely different streams of work in pharmacovigilance, preclinical and clinical. And that's because we started slow, we showed we could do it, people were able to take their company hats off and collaborate, and then it just goes from there. It's a pent-up desire to collaborate. You just got to give them the forum and the air cover to do it.